Oh, I'm just pissed I missed it, but he just freaking lost it.
Yeah, that's embarrassing.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Whoop, whoop. Oh, two of them, dude.
I just gotta see the road on the camera.
You'll see it for a second. There it is.
There is a car there in case you're wondering.
All right, long story short, a lot of traffic and a lot of weather, but we are here and holy crap, this is crazy, dude.
Yeah, but you don't want to take other people's spots either. Oof, dude, this one looks way better.
Oh, there's Mikey's car. Ooh.
That's flat.
God. This ain't no joke. Look at all the rubber, dude.
I like it.
This place is crazy. I didn't even think I did an intro yet. So, what's up, guys? Show up to 2.4 here, bringing you another Meet Sick vlog. Look at this. Full Tokyo Drift style right here. This is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a Ford, I think. No, it might be
Both of these right next to each other. He's got the Uber sign on there.
Look at, I can get those wheels will fit on the Trailblazer. They have 6 lug ones. Once it gets faster, TBS will just get those wheels.
Damn.
I'm in heaven.
There's not even any talking to be done here. It's just
Just listen.
It's just listen and watch. That's all it is. Oh, now this one I think looks way better.
Yeah.
The color.
You ever get one of these into work here?
No. I wish.
Pizza for $3. I didn't see that. I was kind of walked up here. I saw one right there.
Oh, I did, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Dude, my jaw is like freezing up right now. These cars are so simple, but this right here is my dream car. Like, yeah, that Camaro I just showed you is too, and that's my dream build. But this one is just...
Zach, your phone, yours on mine.
Hey Zach, you made this comment in my video, but what are dogs?
more important than cars.
Dogs are more important than cars. These guys are pissing their pants on this race.
Thank God. Don't be that guy. I'm so happy they got kicked out.
I know.
It's that time of the day, man. It's getting crazy. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Ooh.
Look at the paint on it.
Ooh. Those wheels look good on this, dude.
This is gonna be a racetrack.
Ooh. Okay, that actually looks really good.
Yeah.
It looks really good. I keep hearing people scream. Every time we hear people scream, we're on a different floor. We can't ever keep up. Okay, that was uncalled for. Okay, yeah, right here we can see everything. This is badass.
I can hear it making the same noise as mine.
There's always something happening down the road.
He's getting it.
See if they kick out the guy with the most expensive car.
That'd be, oh man,
Oh, that'd be so
That'd be
awesome.
so funny, dude.
I couldn't remember. Somebody said they wanted more McLaren on the channel.
Okay, these people are getting in that
Here it
car
is.
now.
Moving the Galant. We've been down here in like an hour.
so different down here already.
Dude, I'm so excited for nighttime, dude. Oh my. In the Galant. I don't think the vlog's ever been inside the Galant, to be honest. Ooh, V. Oh, I'm just pissed I missed it, but he just freaking lost it.
Yeah, that's embarrassing.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Whoop, whoop. Oh, two of them, dude. Man, I'm pissed I missed it, but yeah, let's go see it. I don't know if we can, though. Is it too far down? Probably too far down. Yeah, they got him.
They got him.
Man, I'm pissed I missed it, but I got the pullover.
Look at this.
Are you pissed you didn't bring yours now?
Yeah. Sad. Everything looks good too. His looks a lot better than mine. I'm giving him that all day long. Especially especially with the black door handles. Black door handles.
Well, guys, I tried bringing the truck in for a second time, and apparently they're shutting it down for trucks. Trucks are not allowed here anymore. I feel pretty discriminated because in the last meet I couldn't even get in.
Oh, no. You were kidding.
You're on blast now.
Go.
You're on blast. So we're just gonna sit here and keep watching. Oh, they're probably telling them to get out of there.
Not gonna look bad.
Dude, I feel discriminated. We haven't even seen your car yet. I wasn't recording, but this freaking Power Stroke just lost it.
You almost hit those.
What an idiot. All show, no go.
Oh, I can't even turn the thing around because the tires are so big. Light bars are illegal.
All show, no go.
You already spun out. You're going to leave your light bar.
Can you keep it down? Hey, buddy. Your car's so cool, dude.
Wow.
Your car's so cool.
Jacket.
Well, we're shutting the meet down. Shutting the meet down. If you can't tell, it's raining real good.
We also still got 20 minutes till the
I
end of the
want
meet.
this truck to do something.
Maybe this truck's stupid enough to do something.
Oh, they're getting pissed now. They're really cracked.
Oh, that feels so good. Well, guys, EM meet was nothing but a success. Awesome, awesome meet. Ryan's, I don't think he's ever been to a meet like that before. And he's been to meets, but not like that. And he said it was awesome, the best meet he's ever been to. Glad we could meet up with a lot of people. Nate brought us Camaro, which Nate's Camaro, you've seen it in the last EM meet, the orange one. He redid it all. 350, built 350, repainted some parts of it. He just got it done like 2 days before this meet. And he couldn't come down with us. He met us there. And I was gonna show you the car, but it started raining, and it was actually downpouring, and he had to get going home. And Mikey was there. It was a fun time. It was a good time. Everybody loved it. Really made me happy that the girls loved it. Porky drove down. Met up with Andrew Herschel down there, which I have to say, met up with Andrew, and like I don't know, like my footage was all wonky, and it was kind of weird. I wasn't focused on him, the camera, so I didn't want to put the meeting him in there. But we did see Andrew Herschel there. I'll put his link's always in my bio. Go check him out. He's at 150 subs. His new channel is growing pretty well. EM meet was a huge success. Awesome. Hope everybody liked the video. Hope everybody liked it. Everyone there had a pretty good time. Guys, as I'm recording this, I'm at 988 subscribers. I'm 12 away from 1,000. So, if you guys are watching till the end, if you guys are watching this, please, 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 if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and tell your mother and your grandmother and your niece to please subscribe to hit me at 1,000. Because once I hit 1,000, I'm gonna freak. Like I'll just save the excitement for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.